Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Confidence. If you've ever felt nervous or shy about ordering food in English at a restaurant, this is the perfect lesson for you. In today's video, we're going to learn real, practical English for restaurants, from entering the restaurant to paying the bill. You'll hear natural conversations, useful phrases, and common situations that beginners often struggle with. We've prepared a full, relaxed conversation between two friends so you can listen, repeat, and practice along. Turn on the subtitles, speak out loud, and practice both roles. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident ordering food in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to this restaurant English practice. Today, we're going to learn how to order food confidently in English. Are you ready to practice with me?
Yes, I'm a bit nervous, but very excited. I always get stuck when the waiter comes.
Don't worry, that's completely normal for beginners. We'll go step by step as if we are really in a restaurant. Let's start from the beginning.
Okay, what's the first thing we do when we enter?
Usually, the host will greet you. They might say, "Welcome, table for two?" You can simply reply, "Yes, please, a table for two." Or if you booked ahead, "I have a reservation under the name Smith."
Table for two, please.
Good. Now we're sitting. Here comes the waiter.
Good evening.
Good evening. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink first?
Coke.
That's okay, but let's make it more natural and polite. Try saying, "I'll have a Coke, please." Or, "Could I have a glass of Coke, please?"
I'll have a Coke, please.
Much better. "I'll have" and "could I have" are the most useful phrases when ordering anything.
What if I don't understand the menu?
Excellent question. You can ask, "Excuse me, what's today's special?" Or, "Could you recommend something for me?"
Excuse me, what's today's special?
Perfect. The waiter might answer, "Our grilled salmon is very popular today."
Now let's practice ordering the main food.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Could I have the chicken pasta, please? Does it come with salad?
Yes, it does.
Great. And could I have the dressing on the side, please?
See how polite and clear that sounds? Adding small details like "on the side" is very natural.
My turn. I'd like the beefsteak medium rare, please.
Excellent. Remember the 3 levels for steak: rare, medium rare, and well done.
What if I have allergies? I'm really scared of that.
That's very important. You should clearly say, "I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain nuts?" Or, "I can't eat dairy products."
I'm allergic to shrimp. Is there any shrimp in this soup?
Very good. You can also say, "I'm vegetarian," or "I'm vegan," if that's your preference.
Can we practice a full ordering conversation now?
Sure. I'll be the waiter first. "Hello. Are you ready to order?"
Yes. To start, I'll have the tomato soup, please.
And for the main course?
Could I have the grilled salmon with rice? And could you make it less spicy?
No problem at all.
This feels much easier now.
During the meal, if you need something, just say, "Excuse me, could I have some more water, please?" Or, "Could we have another napkin?"
Excuse me, could I have some more water, please?
Perfect. Now let's move to dessert. Would you like dessert?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is very popular.
Then I'll have the chocolate cake with ice cream, please.
Nice. You can also say, "Could we share one dessert?" if you want to eat less.
What about asking for the bill at the end?
Simple. Say, "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?" In American English, people often say, "Check, please."
Could we have the bill, please?
Great. If they ask together or separate, you can reply, "Together, please," or "Separately, please."
What if the food has a problem? For example, it's cold.
Stay polite. You can say, "I'm sorry, but my soup is cold. Could you warm it up, please?" Or, "This steak is overcooked. May I have another one?"
I'm sorry, my pasta is cold. Could you heat it again, please?
Now let's do one complete role play. I'll be the waiter, and you order everything from start to finish. Good evening. Table for 1 or 2?
Table for 2, please.
Here are your menus. Drinks to start?
Yes, I'll have orange juice, please. And could I have a glass of still water?
Certainly. Ready to order your food?
Could you tell me what's in the chicken dish?
It comes with mushrooms and cream sauce.
Oh, I can't eat mushrooms. Could I have the beef burger instead, please? Medium well.
Of course. French fries on the side?
Yes, please. And a small green salad.
Excellent. After meal, excuse me, could we have the bill, please? Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
Wow, that was really natural. You asked questions, handled special requests, and used polite language very well.
Thank you. I feel so much more confident now.
Let's review the most important phrases. I'll have, please. Could I have? What do you recommend? I'm allergic to. Could we have the bill, please? On the side, please.
I'll write these down and practice every day.
That's the best way. Watch this video again, pause after each line, and repeat loudly. Practice both roles. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can practice fast food restaurants or cafe conversations.
Great idea. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep speaking English every day and you'll improve very fast.
Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching. Which restaurant English phrase was new for you? Write it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.